Want to make money with YouTube Shorts without ever showing your face? No camera shyness, no expensive equipment, no professional studio setup required. In this episode of Internet Paydays, we'll show you exactly how to create and sell faceless YouTube Shorts using AI tools that handle everything, from scripting to voiceovers to editing. You don't need a camera, a studio, or even your own voice. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn a few simple tools. By the end of this episode, you'll have a complete roadmap to start creating professional-looking shorts today. Why this method works? Short-form content is absolutely exploding right now. YouTube Shorts receives over 70 billion views per day globally. That's not a typo billion with a B. The platform is aggressively pushing shorts to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels, which means massive organic reach for creators. Here's why faceless shorts are perfect for beginners. Low barrier to entry, fast production time, massive demand, multiple revenue streams. Creators are currently using shorts to grow channels from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in under 6 months, drive tens of thousands of clicks to affiliate offers, and build service businesses charging $500 to $2,000 per month for ongoing content creation. The algorithm favors shorts right now. YouTube wants to keep viewers on the platform competing with TikTok, so they're giving unprecedented reach to short-form content. This is your window of opportunity. What types of shorts to create? Not all shorts are created equal. Some niches and content types perform dramatically better than others. Here are the hottest categories for faceless content: motivation and success content, business and money tips, health and wellness hacks, educational and fun facts, product content, niche-specific content, tools to create your shorts. Here's your complete faceless video creation toolkit with exactly how to use each tool. Script generation, ChatGPT. Use it to generate scripts, hooks, hashtags, and video descriptions. AI voiceovers, ElevenLabs, or Speechelo, both create human-like speech from your scripts in seconds. Stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks. Look for vertical 9:16 footage specifically for shorts. Pro tip: use keyword combinations like cinematic nature or city time-lapse. Video editing, Canva or CapCut. Both have built-in caption generators, transitions, and music libraries. Canva is better for simple template-based videos. CapCut for more custom edits. How to monetize your shorts. Now let's talk about making actual money from your faceless shorts. There are 6 main monetization strategies. 1. YouTube Partner Program, $0 to $500 plus per month. Requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days, or 4,000 watch hours on long-form content. Once accepted, you earn from ads shown between shorts in the feed. 2. Affiliate marketing, $100 to $5,000 plus per month. This is where the real money is. Place affiliate links in your video descriptions for products you mention or recommend. Best affiliate programs for faceless shorts: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Software tools: AppSumo, Thrivecart, etc. 3. Selling your own digital products, $200 to $10,000 plus per month. Use shorts as traffic drivers to your own products, online courses or coaching programs, templates and digital downloads, ebooks and guides, membership communities, platforms to sell on: Gumroad, StanStore, Kajabi, Teachable, or your own website. 4. Building an agency, $5,000 to $20,000 plus per month. Once you've mastered the process, scale by hiring other creators and taking on more clients. You become the project manager, delegating the actual creation work. Charge premium prices and pay your team members per video or hourly. Your profit margin comes from the difference. This isn't get rich quick, but it is realistic if you're consistent. Scaling your shorts business. Once you've got the basic process down and made your first $500 to $1,000, here's how to scale. Batch production system. Instead of creating one video at a time, produce in batches. Script 10 to 20 videos in one ChatGPT session. Generate all voiceovers back to back. Download all stock footage in one session. Edit all videos in sequence. This reduces context switching and can cut your per video time in half. Create content templates. Build reusable templates in Canva or CapCut. This means you're only swapping out footage and script, not rebuilding each video from scratch. Automation tools. Use these to speed up your workflow. Zapier. Automatically save client approvals, send notifications. Trello or Asana. Track projects and deadlines. Dubsado or Honeybook. Client management and contracts. Calendar apps. Automated scheduling for client meetings. Hiring and delegating. When you're earning $2,000 plus per month consistently, consider hiring video editors on Upwork, virtual assistants for research and uploading, script writers specialized in your niche. You focus on client relationships and strategy while others handle production. Building recurring revenue. The holy grail is monthly retainer clients who pay you predictably. Target 5 to 10 monthly clients at $500 to $1,500 each. Deliver consistently on schedule. Show results through analytics reports. Gradually raise rates as you prove value. Common mistakes to avoid. Learn from others' failures. Inconsistent posting. Ignoring analytics. Poor audio quality, weak hooks. Underpricing forever. Trying to go viral. Ignoring SEO. Faceless YouTube Shorts represent one of the most accessible and scalable online income opportunities in 2025. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need years of experience. Don't wait for perfection. Your first videos will be rough, that's normal. Every successful creator started with awkward early content. The difference is they kept going. Subscribe to Internet Paydays for more money-making tutorials every week. We break down real online business models with step-by-step guides. Drop a comment below with your niche choice. Tell us what type of faceless shorts you want to create. Our community will help you brainstorm specific video ideas and even critique your first videos if you want feedback. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these. The best time to start was 6 months ago. The second best time is today. YouTube Shorts is still in its growth phase, meaning early creators have a massive advantage. The algorithm is hungry for content and pushing new channels. A year from now, you'll wish you had started today. So take action. Create your first short this week. Post it. Learn from it. Do it again. Success with faceless shorts isn't about luck, it's about consistency, learning, and persistence. You've got this. Thanks for watching this episode of Internet Paydays. Now go create something amazing. See you in the next episode.